Transurfer, and welcome to TransurfingTV. I am Renee Garcia, and this is one of the 78 days of practical transurfing. We're about halfway through, so if you are new to this channel, go look back. There's 36 prior days, and we have another, my math isn't the best, 34 to go. After this one, 35. So we're sort of halfway in between. There are lots more and there are lots behind us. So please go take a look if you are new to this channel or to transurfing. This is a very practical approach to these concepts and you can start applying them immediately. So with that, if you would like to win some of these stickers, which is actually the lesson today, this is amazing. These stickers are really a reminder of this exact lesson, co-coordinating intention. This is you viewing your world as a hospitable place that is always giving you exactly what you need in order for you to achieve your intentions. So this is about you trusting your world. It's about you really viewing anything that comes on your path as an obstacle as a positive, not inducing, and really staying up on that crest of the wave of fortune or in the direction of catching the wave of fortune, which is our ultimate intentions as a transurfer. So with that, I will get into it. Day 37, co-coordinating intention, y'all. If you intend to look at events that seem negative in a positive light, then that is exactly what they will be. Remember, however, bad things are now a lovely surprise and will come your way on the condition that you maintain coordination in the present moment. When faced with any test in life, tell yourself this: if it works out, great. If it doesn't, even better. You know that your world takes care of you. And so if something has not worked out, it means that you have avoided other problems you cannot yet see. With this lighthearted mood, you can calmly go on a date with the destiny you are creating for yourself. God, don't you love it? From this moment onwards, whatever happens, remember, everything will be just as it should be. A person's life is made up of a chain of causes and effects, just like any other movement of matter. In the variance space, the effect is always located close to its cause. Just as one is derived from the other, so nearby sectors of the variance space come together in a lifeline. Every event on a lifeline has two branches, one leading in a favorable direction and the other in an unfavorable direction. Every time you face any kind of event in your life, you choose how to respond. If you think of the event as something positive, then you step onto the favorable branch of your lifeline. However, the tendency towards negativity forces you to express your discontent and chooses the unfavorable branch. Ooh. As soon as something makes you angry, another unpleasant situation follows. That is why troubles always come in threes. The chain of bad luck, however, does not follow on from the first misfortune that occurred. It follows on from your relationship to that event. The pattern is created by the choice you make when you stand at the fork in the road. The coordination of intention principle equips you always to take the fortunate lifeline. Okay, so this is huge, you guys, because what Vadim is saying here is that it's not the unfortunate event that creates another one. It is your response to the unfortunate event. Just like he says in the sign chapter, right? It's the relationship to the sign, right? If you're a superstitious person and you believe that a black cat crosses your path and you're going to have bad luck, then you are going to have bad luck. It's not because the cat crossed your path. It's because of your attitude to the cat crossing your path that then highlights a sector of reality where you ultimately create a self-fulfilling prophecy. It is the exact same with an unfortunate event on your lifeline that comes in the way of an obstacle to your goal or a misfortunate event or whatever it is. If you decide to view that thing as positive, this is where the inversion technique comes in. This is you taking anything that you would have previously deemed negative, flipping it upside down and responding to it in a positive manner. It almost 100% of the time neutralizes the event. You don't go on an induced transition spiraling down, and you don't encounter more misfortune or negative events. You can just kind of like, it's like driving a car at like 40 or 50 miles an hour and just blasting over a speed bump, right? You'll just fly over it. It won't stop you, because most people end up responding in a way that either stops them entirely or causes more obstacles and more crap in the reality, in your layer of reality, to appear in front of you. So whatever you focus on is what you are going to exponentially highlight in your layer of reality. So this is why your response to events is so meaningful and valuable. And this is exactly what these stickers are about. This is why I've created them. And this is why I use them. I mean, I've got them all over my house and I've been using these for years. My world takes care of me. Everything is going according to plan and things are working out beautifully and will continue to do so with ease. When this is seared into your brain, it is nearly impossible to go on an induced transition because of a negative event. I just blast over these things like I'm driving a sports car over a speed bump at 100 miles an hour, right? I just go over it because you know what? It's my response that matters, not the event. So how can you adopt this mentality a little bit more today? And how have you not been trusting that your world is taking care of you, or that things are going according to plan, or really focusing on some sort of negative event? I know a lot of people are doing this right now. I had a coworker message me the other day and it was actually quite sad. She was like, oh my God, this is so depressing. I can't even imagine the state of events and blah, blah, blah. And this is so bad. And I was just like, oh girl, it's all about your perspective. My layer of reality is awesome. I have no problems and I'm going full speed with all my stuff and I have no negative events in my life, right? So I attribute that to this. Do you? And would you like some of these? Comment in the comment section below, I love reality transurfing, and like this video and I just might send you a stack. So thank you for watching my video, everyone, and remember, co-coordinate with your world today. Your world is in fact taking care of you. Bye guys.